Thanks for joining us on this Saturday evening. I'm Storm Tracker 13's Mike Everett. Here's what we're tracking as we're moving through your Saturday evening. Well, if we take a look here, courtesy of our Phil Long cams and our neighborhood weather network, traffic is moving along I-25. Temperature now getting below freezing in a lot of spots. So again, we saw a lot of that snow falling this afternoon. What we didn't see was a lot of that sticking. So as we go into the later hours tonight, that snowfall is going to taper off, but we're going to see a lot of roads start to freeze. That's my concern as we go into the evening. Not so much the snowfall, but yeah, all of that turning into ice. Currently 34 up at the airport in Colorado Springs, 40 in Pueblo. Still seeing some 40s out into the plains there as well. A lot of spots still not below freezing yet. Even Salida currently coming in at 35. 35 is your number in Alamosa right now. As we zoom in and take a look, a lot of spots, especially off to the north end of Colorado Springs, already getting below freezing. So you got 27 in Briargate, you've got 30 in Peregrine, 29 Mountain Shadows, 31 in Falcon. As you look down to the south, places like Pueblo, only 40, 36 in Apache City right now. So again, a lot of these places will be getting below freezing within about the next hour or two. That is my concern for the roads. Let me show you the big picture here. This last burst of energy making its way through the area and out to the south and east fairly quickly. So that's the good news as far as your Saturday night travels go. If you're planning on heading out, especially to that Festival of Lights parade, by all means do it. It's going to be beautiful out there, but it will get cold. Definitely bundle up for that. Let's take a look at your live HD Doppler radar. You can already see a lot of that starting to spread apart. Looking out to the east, you're seeing some light showers there as they're making their way out to the east. Some stronger stuff there just to the north of Truckton, but again, the good news here with a lot of this weather is even when it comes through in strong bursts like it's doing along I-25 near Walsenburg and Trinidad right now, it's moving fairly quickly. Now, there was one burst here that got fairly strong. It's moving through at about 20 miles an hour to the east. Right now, it doesn't look like it's very near anything right now. That's basically to the east of Pueblo. Now, let me put Skycast in motion here, and what I want to show you with this is, again, this will start to move out. So by the time we get to 9 o'clock tonight, you will continue to see some showers there out towards Trinidad and La Junta, but Colorado Springs, Woodland Park, Pueblo, we start to clear up very nicely. By the time we get to midnight, we're looking very clear. We're going to see stars again by the time we get to midnight tonight. We start off Sunday looking clean and clear in a lot of spots, even out to the plains, but as we roll through our Sunday, we're going to start to see a lot of cloud cover move in along the I-25 corridor as we get into the evening hours, but not tracking any showers or snowfall with that. Woodland Park picked up about 3 inches. The mountains did that as well. If you're heading out to drive tonight, well, what you're going to see is icy and slushy conditions along 25 between Colorado Springs and Denver. Between Pueblo and Colorado Springs, you will see some icy spots. And if you're driving on 24, I had a lot of reports earlier today that it was treacherous. So it will be cool and icy, but this is not a big snow event. Tonight, it gets cold. 17 Colorado Springs, 14 in Pueblo. You're going to see some negatives up in the mountains as well. Here's the good news. Big time rebound. We get back into the 50s and see the sun again on Sunday, and we keep right on going. Look at that. By the time we get to Wednesday, we're tracking some 60s again. Our next chance for some significant storms looks like they'll roll in late Thursday into Friday. So we're going to work through a cold night tonight, and then we're going to be rewarded with some very nice temperatures, getting back into the upper 50s and 60s in a lot of spots. Teller County, even you're going to get back to 47 tomorrow. You've got a 50 on your horizon come Wednesday. So cold night tonight, and then a warm week ahead.
So just a rough next, what, 12 hours or so?
Yeah, and again, well, I want to emphasize that if you head out tonight, the snow looks like it's going to finish off fairly quickly here. What I'm concerned with is that the temperatures get cold, and a lot of these roads are going to ice up fairly quickly. So head out by all means, but give yourself some extra time and be very careful.
Or just stay in with your heated blanket.
There's an idea.
All right, Mike, thanks.
High school football, right?
Yeah,
Championships?